In this video, we will review how project administrators can manage personnel on a project from the Safesite Admin dashboard. First, log into the Safesite Admin dashboard at app.safesitehq.com on a desktop or a tablet. Next, select the appropriate project from the drop-down menu. Click the Project Details tab and select Personnel, where you'll be directed to the Project Personnel list. On the Project Personnel list, you will find a list of current personnel assigned to your project. If personnel are on this list, they will have access to complete safety actions for the project on the Safesite mobile app. From here, project administrators can invite personnel and remove personnel from the project. To invite personnel, select the Add Personnel button. In the pop-up window, use the gray text box to type in the email addresses of each person you wish to invite. As you type in emails, they will be added to the list. Next, let's review project personnel types. At the project level, the personnel types include project admin, project member, and guest. Project admins have access to the Safesite Admin dashboard for specific projects and receive email notifications regarding status updates for each project they have admin access to. Admins can change settings to receive daily or weekly summaries under the My Notifications tab. Project members only have access to the Safesite mobile app to complete safety actions for projects they are invited to, and will not have access to the Safesite Admin dashboard. They will see this notification informing them to access the mobile app if attempting to log into the Safesite Admin dashboard if they don't have access. Project guests are personnel that do not take a seat in the organization, but can be given access to specific projects to complete actions or help resolve hazards as needed. Guests generally are subcontractors and trades. They cannot be admins or access the Safesite's admin dashboard reporting. Their actions will also not count towards the Safesite score. If you invite personnel as a project admin or member, they will take an organization member seat if using a Safesite Premium account. Upon selecting Continue, the added personnel will receive an invite to their email. The recipient of the invite should open the email on their mobile device so that they will be directed to download the Safesite mobile app upon selecting the Get Started button. Please note that the invite link will expire after 48 hours and can be resent by clicking the Resend Invite button next to their email address. After inviting personnel, personnel types can be updated under the Project Personnel list. Project admins can also remove personnel from the project by selecting the Actions button and clicking Remove. Please note that removing a personnel from the project will not remove them from the organization. Organization administrators are only able to remove personnel from the organization on the Organization Personnel tab.